Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with another interesting video. And as you all know that the new year's just started, and this is going to be related to New York fireworks, you can say, in Jakarta. So I'm going to watch first time that how Indonesians celebrate New Year. So I'm excited. Without wasting any time, let's see how it goes, and then we will talk about the video. So let's get started.
Yes! Happy New Year!
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Wow.
Happy New Year!
All of the parties ready to go.
Yes! Happy New Year!
Here, others back to the house. Oh, take your photo, take your videos now.
Yes! I think we have a scan.
Why is there the line?
Oh, that's the reflection of the lights. Nighttime. Oh! Also, that's why the cars are stopping over there.
So probably this video is filmed from top of any building or mountain, you can say. It covered the whole area. Wow. Wow. Fireworks and laser show probably. Look at that, the whole city is sparkling.
This is on the one side of our apartment. Let's go to the other side.
Okay.
The cars are actually
This is the
stopping. They might have some fireworks display there that we cannot see. This is in central Jakarta, so this is the Sudirman area. That's why you can see here, these are the buildings here in Sudirman. The other sides a while ago are, more on residential, I think. Well, not really residential, but more on low-rise buildings. This side, you can see now, are the high-rises.
Still going. Wow. Looking amazing.
Oh, look at that.
What should I say?
What is it, around 12:05? 12:04. That's why we are 44 minutes in the video. Happy New Year!
Okay, and the video is over, and I really like to watch these type of videos, and I watch every year, you can say, from different countries, fireworks of different countries. And this was my first time that I reacted on Jakarta's firework on New Year, you can say, sorry. And yeah, I also, as you all know, that I'm in UAE right now, and I uploaded a firework in here in Dubai, Burj Khalifa, and I uploaded that video as well on my blogging channel. You can check that as well. The link of that video might be in the description as well. So because I always forget to mention the link in the description box, so I will try to add the link in the description as well. But if I talk about this one, that was really enjoyable, and the buildings were sparkling, and of course, as she said, that was the another side of the city, and probably there was the fireworks with laser or something like that, but looking amazing. I really enjoyed. And yeah, if there is any other links, you can let me know about that. I would love to react on that video as well. So that was nice. I really enjoyed. So if you enjoyed, please like this video and comment if you have any suggestions. So I think that's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.